Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk again about Advantage Plus, this time how to scale. Advantage Plus is in our lives now and it's working, so let's go. So I have done several videos about Advantage Plus, about how to scale, how to do it, how to do crazy method with Advantage Plus, case studies, whatever. One other thing that I want to show you, and now I decided on 2023 and further I'm going to show more ad accounts because this is what you want, this is what you like after analyzing the results on the views. So I'm going to show more and more ad accounts. I'm having a case study right now that I have used Advantage Plus for scaling an account, which was doing 100k per month. In the last months when I took it, it was doing far less. And now I'm going to scale to 200k just with this. Basically the principle is this: you have an Advantage Plus and you have a lot of creatives like 20 plus, 28, like I have 25, 30, whatever. When you see one Advantage Plus working, then you go and you stay with these 4, 3, 2 ads that are working, and then you are duplicating the campaign and you're running it without these 3, 4, because basically with the other one you didn't test it, you didn't test all of the creatives. That is going to help you, first of all, to have an Advantage Plus which is going to have a lot of substitutes inside which you are going to remove whenever they're not doing well and optimize it like the ways that we explained that you optimize an Advantage Plus campaign. And the other thing, and I'm also going to explain it a little bit in the video how to actually optimize it a little bit, but you need to see also the other videos that I have as case studies. And the other thing is that, first of all, you respect the work of the creators or the owner that is giving you a lot of creatives, and you're testing all of them, which is our job. Secondly, you have options to actually being able to scale with that way, because you're having a lot of substitutes and you're also piling up different Advantage Plus campaigns with different creatives inside while you're testing them all at the same time. I hope it makes sense. I'm going to explain it further now on my PC so that you can understand how it's working. It's not any rocket science, but the whole approach about Advantage Plus, how you optimize it, how it's working, the way that you need to structure the account and stuff, I think the whole thing as a whole, it's something that I figured out after the Advantage Plus coming to our lives, because the optimization of Advantage Plus is completely different from the CBO optimization, and I think that it's working flawlessly in several accounts and it's helping a lot. So without any further ado, let's go on my PC to show you everything. So in the last 7 days, this ad account, 36k, spent 7.72 ROAS. Let's see a little bit the last month to see the tendency. 136k, 6.44. So I'm doing better on the last 7 days here. And the fun fact is that if we watch yesterday, it was still a good day, 5.5k. So if we do 5,500, why am I doing it like this? Let me do it here. Here. So if we do 5,500 multiplied by 30, it's going to take me to 165. And if I scale 1k more, which is easy with the way that I'm going to show you, you will understand in a little bit, multiplied with 30, it's on 200k. So this is my goal for this month, to go on this number, at least 165k plus, at least. Now, the way that this is working, and let me go on last 7 days here again, is that we're going to focus in just these two campaigns, because you know that in this channel we're all about doing several different methods, several campaigns, different structure, and whatever is working we're keeping it, and then we do another campaign instead of scaling like idiots. Whoever is doing only one campaign and scaling this campaign is a total idiot, and is just somebody who is lazy and he doesn't know how to do Facebook ads. And you should not follow them or listen to them because they are just random people. They just do ads and they have no understanding about the Facebook algorithm. And by the way, this is something that you can also do, and there is no point of hiring them. Here we are going to see that in this campaign, which is an Advantage Plus, we have 28 ads. After optimization, we reach to the point that we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them working, giving us an average which is super acceptable for this account, and we have 1k spent on that. So what do we have here? We have a company which is having resources, a lot of creatives. We discussed several times that creatives are very important. And if you have a lot of creatives and decent creatives, not just give some stupid creatives to you, the guys that they're doing your ads, then that means that you can penetrate the market from different entry points because you're convincing people with other creatives about the use of your product from different perspectives and so on. So when you're doing that, you're having more sales because you're having more penetration to the market, as I said earlier. Now, in this specific situation, we are in the interior design niche and we can have a lot of creatives because of that. And I'm using all of these creatives on Advantage Plus because it's the most efficient way. But the Advantage Plus campaign is optimizing in a completely different way from a CBO campaign. It's just focusing in 1 or 2 or 3 ad sets because it's a consolidation method. It's not working like the CBO. So what I have done here is that I came to and I have other videos explaining how to optimize Advantage Plus campaigns. Today we're going to focus mostly on scaling with them. So I came here to the conclusion that, look, I have optimized this already, but I have another 23 ads that I haven't used extensively, okay? And all of my spend is going on those. Okay, I close those because as I said earlier, I'm optimizing in order to get to good results. But over here, we can see that, look, it's 1K spent, perfect. What am I going to do? Ask another 28 creatives? No, I'm going to duplicate this campaign, which is this new campaign, and this time I'm going to run it with 24. I'm removing the 4 best of the previous one. Maybe in your case it's going to be 3 or 2 that Facebook spent all the money. So I'm running another 1K. If I didn't do that, then I wasn't going to be able to scale with Advantage Plus, and it's working flawlessly. By the way, I'm in the process of optimizing this campaign. This is why you see such a big mess on the top, because, and yes, I said I'm not going to say a lot of things about optimization of Advantage Plus. You can watch the videos, but basically here, whenever something is going to take a lot of budget, you need to just decapitate it and just focus in the next one until you find one leader like the one that I found here, which I'm starting slowly to moving the campaign to the health level. Because if you see, for example, the last month, it had 1.43. And it had some ads here that so this was my leading ad which didn't do well. Others, this is happening in e-commerce stores that they have different average order value and people can buy something small or something big. And here in the last 7 days, you can see that I managed to cut the big spenders. I'm leaving the good one here. So now I'm having a very good leading ad, which I'm very happy, because it means that now if I optimize this campaign to have 2 or 3 good ads, then I can go duplicate it again and run it with 20 this time, removing the 4 good. So this is helping me a lot to scale, and I'm sure that I'm going to hit 200K, unless it's Facebook is going to stop me. But this is the way that you should treat it. So, number 1, know how to optimize Advantage Plus campaigns. Advantage Plus campaign came to our life in September, so it's too early, but you have Konstantinos here, which figured it out, and I'm showing you in all of my videos how to optimize them, and here you can see that it's working. Second thing, start using Advantage Plus is a very good way, instead of CBO, to use very big budgets. You can do with CBO, if you do $1,000 with our crazy method and everything, you need to put a lot of assets and you need to have more experience. Advantage Plus optimization is easier to master, but it's a little bit more difficult in terms of you not being experienced and afraid of closing or leaving ad sets. And of course, Advantage Plus needs more time. It's not like the CBO that you're touching it faster. It needs more time to produce some results and see what you have to do there. So do Advantage Plus. Go and learn from my videos or my course or whatever. Learn optimization on Advantage Plus, very important. Number 3, go and do a lot of creatives. So spend money on creatives and have a lot of creatives, because these are you have a very efficient way of testing them with the Advantage Plus, and this is very good. And then when you find success with one, just do this one, leave it, do another one with the other creatives, and so on, and pile up campaigns. Don't just do one Advantage Plus with a huge budget and expect it to work. Just try to build a lot, because at the end of the day, if one of these here it's going to die, one of these campaigns. And also I'm using a lot of different strategies, but this video is all about the Advantage Plus. Here we don't have only Advantage Plus, we have also different strategies. If you have something working and then it dies, at least you have all the others. So you're not starting from zero all over again in your scaling, and this is what is going to help you. This account, guys, over here with that way, if we go back in August, and we see the spend, it started with a spend of 31k, and look where we are now. Okay, so in the last month, which is February, we spent 136, and in the next month I'm going to spend 200. So you cannot scale like this because Facebook is volatile if you don't have several campaigns. So guys, that's all I had about scaling with Advantage Plus. I hope that you liked it. I'm going to try to show more live accounts with what am I doing with the different methods here and there. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my free course, my paid course, and of course my website. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.